wild animals coming from the top of the escarpment. So this one here lives up on top of the rock. It's like a half kangaroo, half wallaby. Because wallaby's got a pointy ears and pointy snout. You have a look at this one, see you've got big round ears like a kangaroo and more of a square jaw. And if you have a look, he's got white eyebrows. So he's just coming down now because of the water's drying up at the top. That's why he's not really too stressed about us, because he probably doesn't see humans very often. A bit interested in us though. Probably look like a really weird creature, eh? Like all these little eyeballs looking at him.